Hey guys, on a hot Sunday morning, I wanted to do a little bit of have some plants in my own house, which is nice to see. When you have nature around, it feels nice and calming, right? So I plan to do this. I'm going to show you. I'm trying this out. I started with very small. I just did a demo and then it worked, so I'm doing it slightly bigger than that. So I'll show you the ones I started with. So here's, let's see, what can you see? This plant that you see is actually morning glory. This is morning glory. I have all I did was I have planted, I put some soil. There's some dried soil. You get a disc of dried soil in this pot. Put some water, and I bought the pot little small. It should be a 6-inch or a 5-inch pot. This is smaller, so I got to know after that. Just put some water, and then I put the seeds. Most of this was available on Blinkit itself, and you can see within, this is about 8 to 10 days, these started springing up. So I realized that I could have flowers grow. So now I'm going to try these new ones. We have some money plants, but these we bought with the plant itself. They're growing well. This is, can you see? Hold on. So this is chili. This is chili. Yes, this is chili. I've got again, I got a pot. I got some soil and put some chili seeds in it. Bought all of it, just one packet. Over here is tomato seeds. So we're going to see how long it takes to germinate, and hopefully there will be a plant. And in here, if you can see, this is small sunflower, not the big ones, those seeds. And these are nasturtium, I think. They looked very pretty on, I think you can see this. These are nasturtium seeds. I just put them today morning, Sunday morning. Let's see how long it takes to bloom. These look very pretty in potted plants. Those look very pretty in potted plants. And here is another one. I'll show you. Most aesthetically pleasing, I guess. This is jade plant. This has roots at the bottom. I failed at 8 to 10 jade plants, I think, but this one stayed somehow. I don't know. It's an indoor plant, but you can see the amount of sun it needs to grow. So I'm going to update you once I have a little bit more of this little kitchen garden sort of thing we're trying to do. So I'm going to update you how it goes. Just a small experiment. Let's see how it goes. I think it's nice to have a little bit of plants around you, so that's the idea. Let's see.